agentic AI changes the role of the CPU. The CPU is now the conductor, and the GPU is the orchestra. Traditional CPUs were built for a different era, maximizing cores per socket. Slice them up, virtualize, rent by the hour. In the age of agents, the CPU is now a bottleneck to GPU utilization, directly affecting token throughput, latency, and user experience. NVIDIA Vera is the CPU, built for the agentic loop, combining NVIDIA's custom data center CPU core with the scalable coherency fabric for the right balance of performance cores and bandwidth to maximize AI factory output. At the heart of Vera is the NVIDIA Olympus core, built for modern data center workloads, branch-heavy Python runtimes, tool calls, and sandboxed code execution. Each core is tuned for throughput, a neural branch predictor evaluating 2 taken branches per cycle. A 10-wide decode engine brings in more work each cycle. A large out-of-order engine keeps instructions moving. Advanced prefetchers with a novel graph engine anticipating the next data path. But fast cores only matter when data arrives correctly and on time. Vera is the first CPU to use LPDDR5X memory, while correcting multiple errors simultaneously without compromising bandwidth. Vera achieves 40% lower peak memory latency versus x86, keeping cores fed on time through retrieval, analytics, and sandbox execution. NVIDIA's second-generation scalable coherency fabric unifies all 88 Olympus cores on a monolithic mesh with separate dies for memory and I/O. Cores are not split across chiplets, enabling 50% faster core-to-core communication than traditional CPUs. And memory-coherent NVLink chip-to-chip connects GPUs directly to the fabric. Beyond GPUs, NVLink chip-to-chip can scale Vera up to multiple sockets, enabling massive bandwidth between CPUs. Vera delivers 1.8 times the agentic sandbox performance of x86 CPUs. Standalone Vera racks run agent sandboxes, tools, code, and data pipelines. Tightly coupled to Rubin GPUs, Vera keeps accelerated workflows moving. NVIDIA Vera BlueField-4 STX powers context memory and AI storage. Compute, networking, storage. Vera is the CPU for the age of agents.